Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to check trailer tires for wear and keep your haul safe. Tires are one of the most critical parts of any trailer, yet they're often overlooked. Worn or damaged tires can lead to blowouts, costly delays, and even dangerous accidents on the road. Inspecting your trailer tires regularly isn't just smart, it's essential for safety and performance. In this video, you'll learn how to spot signs of wear and ensure your tires are in top shape before every haul. Why regular tire inspections are crucial. Routine tire checks are more than just a task to cross off your to-do list. They're a direct investment in the safety, efficiency, and reliability of your trailer. Neglecting tire health can lead to dangerous surprises on the road and unnecessary repair bills. Let's break down why paying attention to your tires is so important. The role of tires in trailer safety. Your tires are the foundation of your trailer's performance. They don't just roll the load along, they're responsible for stability, traction, and handling on every mile you travel. Properly functioning tires help your trailer grip the road, prevent swaying, and ensure smooth braking. Imagine hauling a heavy load at highway speeds. Now think about what happens if a tire is too worn or improperly inflated. A single slip-up can cause the trailer to fishtail or lose control entirely. Tires in good condition work as shock absorbers, maintaining contact with the road and distributing weight evenly. This prevents dangerous scenarios and ensures you get from point A to point B without incident. Good tires also boost efficiency. With the right pressure and a balanced tread, your trailer experiences less rolling resistance, meaning you burn less fuel. It's as simple as that. Healthy tires make every trip safer and more cost-effective. Common problems from tire neglect. Thinking you'll check them later can lead to serious consequences. Here's what happens when tire maintenance falls off the radar. Blowouts. Nothing ruins a trip like a blown tire. It's not just inconvenient, it's dangerous. A blown tire can cause you to lose control of the trailer or leave debris on the road, putting others at risk. Uneven wear. Misaligned axles, unbalanced loads, or improper inflation can cause certain areas of your tires to wear faster than others. This reduces their lifespan and increases the chance of a failure mid-haul. Reduced fuel efficiency. Low tire pressure forces your vehicle to work harder, increasing rolling resistance. That extra drag wastes fuel and costs you money. Tread separation. When tires overheat from underinflation or overloading, the tread can literally peel away. This is especially common in trailers making long hauls in hot weather. Damaged cargo. A tire problem doesn't just affect the trailer. It increases the odds of your load shifting or sustaining damage from sudden stops or swerves. The risks don't stop there. A small oversight, like ignoring a crack in the sidewall or a nail in the tread, can quickly become a big, expensive issue. Think of regular inspections as catching problems while they're small and manageable. When was the last time you checked your trailer tires? If it's been a while, now's the perfect time to start making it a habit. Strong, healthy tires aren't just about getting the job done, they're about doing it safely and efficiently every single time. Step-by-step guide to inspecting your trailer tires. Your trailer tires work hard with every trip, handling heavy loads, tough road conditions, and all types of weather. Giving them a proper inspection before you hit the road can save you from accidents, breakdowns, and costly repairs. Below, we'll walk through the essential steps you need to take to ensure your tires are up for the job. Checking for tread wear. Tread wear can tell you a lot about the health of your trailer tires. Worn tires don't provide the grip you need, which can lead to slipping or longer stopping distances. Here's how to check. Measure the tread depth. Use a simple tread depth gauge or a penny. Insert the edge of the coin into the tread with Lincoln's head pointed down. If you can see the top of his head, your tires are too worn and need replacement. Look for uneven wear. Uneven tread wear is a red flag. It often means there's a bigger issue, like poor alignment or improper inflation. Check for areas where the tread is shallower or bald compared to the rest of the tire. Inspect the edges. Pay attention to the outer edges of the tires. If they're more worn than the center, it could mean your tires are underinflated. If the center is more worn, overinflation might be the culprit. Spotting these issues early can extend the lifespan of your tires and save you from headaches later on. Inspecting for cracks or punctures. Your tires are constantly under stress, and even small imperfections can compromise their performance and safety. Here's how to examine your tires for cracks, cuts, or punctures. Sidewall inspection. Look closely at the sidewalls for hairline cracks or bulges. Cracks can develop over time due to age, weather exposure, or poor maintenance. Bulges may indicate internal damage, which is a serious safety concern. Scan for punctures or embedded objects. Run your hands gently over the surface of the tire, feeling for nails, screws, or other debris. Even small punctures can lead to slow leaks or blowouts under pressure. Check the bead area. The bead is where the tire meets the rim. Inspect this area for any visible damage, as leaks can occur if the bead is weakened or cracked. Any damage you find here should be addressed promptly. Tires with extensive cracking or punctures often need repair or replacement. Evaluating tire pressure. Tire pressure isn't just important, it's critical. Improperly inflated tires wear unevenly, burn more fuel, and are more likely to fail. Thankfully, checking your air pressure is one of the easiest steps in tire maintenance. Use a tire pressure gauge. Start with a reliable pressure gauge. Make sure your trailer tires are cold, haven't been driven for at least 3 hours, for the most accurate reading. Compare to manufacturer recommendations. Look for the recommended PSI printed on the tire's sidewall or in your trailer owner's manual. This number is specific to your tires and load capacity. Adjust as needed. If a tire is underinflated, add air using a pump. For overinflated tires, release air carefully until the pressure matches the recommended PSI. Keep in mind that temperature changes can affect tire pressure. Regular checks help you stay consistent and avoid surprises on the road. Assessing wheel alignment and balance. Poor alignment or wheel imbalance doesn't just affect the way your trailer handles, it also eats away at your tires over time. Here's how to evaluate these factors. Watch for uneven wear. Misalignment often shows up as uneven tread wear, especially on the edges of the tires. If one side is more worn than the other, it's time to schedule a professional alignment. Check for vibration. Feeling a lot of vibration when towing your trailer? This could indicate an imbalance in your tires. A tire shop can quickly fix this by rebalancing your wheels. Align your suspension. Misaligned axles can throw off your tire's angles, creating uneven wear patterns. A technician can adjust the trailer's suspension or axle to fix this problem. Proper alignment and balance don't just protect your tires, they make towing smoother and safer, giving you peace of mind every time you're on the road. By following these steps, you can keep your trailer tires in excellent condition and avoid unnecessary stress during your hauls. Signs it's time to replace your trailer tires. Keeping your trailer tires in good condition is key to ensuring your safety and the safety of your haul. Over time, even well-maintained tires can reach the point where they need to be replaced. But how do you know when it's time to take them off and invest in new ones? Here's a breakdown of the most common signs, so you can avoid unexpected issues on the road. Age of the tires. Tires don't last forever, even if they look fine on the surface. The age of your trailer tires plays a significant role in their performance and safety. Trailer tires are generally recommended for replacement every 5 to 7 years, regardless of how much tread is left. Why? Over time, the materials in tires break down due to exposure to heat, sunlight, and weather conditions. This process, known as dry rot, weakens the tire from the inside out. Not sure how old your tires are? Check the dot code on the sidewall. The last 4 digits indicate the week and year the tire was manufactured. For example, a code ending in 2419 means the tire was made in the 24th week of 2019. If your tires are approaching or exceeding that 5 to 7 year window, it's time to replace them, even if they don't appear visibly worn. Using old tires can lead to catastrophic failures, especially under the heavy loads trailers often carry. Don't take that risk. Visible signs of damage. Visual inspections can tell you a lot about the health of your tires. Some forms of damage are obvious red flags that mean you need new tires immediately. Here's what to look out for. Bulges or bubbles. These indicate internal damage or separation in the tire layers. This is a ticking time bomb for a blowout. Cracks in the sidewall. Tiny cracks may not seem like a big deal, but they compromise the integrity of the tire and can worsen fast. Cuts or deep abrasions. Any visible gashes, even shallow ones, can weaken the structure of the tire, especially under pressure. Exposed cords or steel belts. If you can see the inner layers of the tire, stop using it immediately. This means the tire is severely worn or damaged. Flat spots or uneven wear. Flat spots can form if your trailer sits in one position for long periods without moving. Uneven wear often points to alignment or suspension issues, but it also means your tires are wearing down unevenly, which can cause handling problems. If you notice any of these signs, don't ignore them. Damaged tires are unpredictable, and towing a trailer magnifies the risks. Repeated air loss. If you're constantly refilling your trailer tires with air, something more serious might be going on. Slow leaks aren't just an inconvenience, they're often a symptom of internal damage or other issues that can't be patched up. Here's what could cause repeated air loss. Damage to the bead or sidewall. Small cracks or damage near the bead, where the tire seals against the rim, can cause slow leaks that worsen over time. These types of leaks are usually not repairable. Punctures or nail holes. A puncture in the tread area can sometimes be fixed, but if your tire constantly goes flat even after a patch, it might be weakened beyond use. Aging or cracked rubber. Rubber hardens and loses its sealing properties with age, which can result in air escaping even without visible damage. Damaged valve stems. While valve stems can sometimes be replaced, constant issues with air pressure may suggest the tire has sustained deeper damage elsewhere. Pay attention to how often you need to adjust the tire pressure. If one or more tires repeatedly lose air no matter what you do, it's safer to replace them rather than risk a failure during your haul. Ignoring air loss can be dangerous. Low-pressure tires experience more heat buildup, causing excessive wear and increasing the likelihood of a blowout when you're on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.